You never met Wayne, did you? He never met Wayne. Did you ever meet Wayne?
Yeah.
You did? Where?
Florida? At your house?
He was at the house?
A couple times.
Where is it?
I don't remember that. I just remember how he was shorter than me and thicker.
He's got shoulders like mine. I mean, his shoulders are probably as big as mine. And he's a few inches shorter.
He's a couple inches shorter than I am.
Is he?
Uh-huh.
See, his mom was 4'11".
5'5".
Is he 5'5"?
Something, yeah. 5'6", maybe. He's little.
No, Lord, you know what's going on.
Thought you were supposed to be doing your work.
I was finding that cup for you. What do you mean?
Matter of fact, the last time I talked to him, he was drunk because he kept going
Clean
on.
up your messes. This was just all cleaned up. All those crumbs.
About
You
wanting
pointing
to
at
read
me
the Bible
for?
with his son.
What I do?
A JW kind of, or whatever those people are. That ship is on now, I think. Starts at
8?
9. That's right, it's 9 and 10. Look at the stuff on my. What's gonna happen?
Where's that stinking computer?